Hello and welcome to Prism Prints, a channel dedicated to VR sculpting, 3D printing, and miniature painting. I'm Ben, and for this project, I'm making a phoenix. The phoenix is a mythological bird that has the ability to be reborn from its own ashes after death. This legendary creature has roots in Greek, Roman, and Egyptian mythologies. Over time, the legend of the phoenix grew through different cultures and became a symbol for renewal and resurrection. For the sculpt, I wanted to push myself to model the bird entirely out of fire. It could easily start feeling chaotic, so I tried to really focus on which direction each flame was going. In the end, I'm really proud of how this sculpt turned out, and I feel like I built on what I've learned as far as modeling special effects. This STL is available to download at the links in the pinned comment if you'd like to try printing this for yourself. Also, if you are thinking of trying Shapelab out, my promo code will make it 10% off. Use SL Prism when you purchase the subscription or perpetual license on their website. If you're buying it on the Meta Store, it's SL Prism-A0B9F3. All this information is in the description if you are interested. I really appreciate you checking this out and hope you like the finished model. If you enjoy videos like these, like having new models to print, or would just like to show support, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you again, have a great rest of your day, and I'll catch you on the next one.